Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.
Wow, my people, Dancehall skilla, they are getting a big up and respect to each and every one. Alright, so I'm going to present a video to you that had been recorded at a police station that is located somewhere within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. The video shows some things that happened during a dispute between law enforcers from within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. Viewers and subscribers, I would like you to look and listen to this video and tell me what to think about some things that you're about to see and hear in this video. You see, I could explain a whole lot about the video, but I think it best you look and listen for yourself, viewers and subscribers. Alright? Anyways, in this video, you can hear harsh language, so viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Right, the friend who brought him here, why the friend didn't go to the
That's at the inside.
I don't know why you find out go to my
My people, listen carefully. Listen the video carefully.
The man came here alone, he didn't come with no friend.
Came there alone, he didn't come with no friend. Okay, you hear what going on?
Officer, Mr. Gentleman here, say, the corporal will talk to you and tell you if to travel, if to go, whatever to do, right? Now out of my hands.
I used to be trying
Out of your hands. I want them relaxy people. Like a normal day, they happy. Then they go back so the camera a little bit. So the camera a little. Go so the camera a little. That way. Relax, see? What that? Protect hand. See?
You just normally call people on the phone.
TV watch, I call the corporal on the phone and he hung up the phone and man, what you want me to do? Not call him on the set? Well, all you have to say, call us if you deal with a report now. But there's the problem you have. You don't like to communicate with people.
How will I communicate with you? I'm looking for foremen. I am looking for foremen. On a compound.
Who is spitting on? You see us spit flying out your mouth, you don't have no max up all behind me.
Yes, sir. It's a transition on the set grill.
What you want to say is the TV higher than the set. What do you want to TV higher than the set.
I know low down the set.
The set more important than the TV. They want to tell you. All you low down the set.
The set was down?
First the set down. All you didn't realize that I kidnapped the next door.
The set was down?
The set was down.
Yeah,
Reggie sound like you upset.
But they didn't know that because when we call him, he has to back everything.
He was outside.
So I had a chance to buy everything. And that.
All you do what I said, do I do what I
There's
said?
police in the station car assist you when we out.
Because you don't like to communicate, you're driving up and down and you're happy in yourself. You understand? I call it, all I have to say.
I'm happy myself, I am patrol.
Right.
While you sit down here talking up in your ass.
All I have to say, classic, we dealing with
I
our
am
report right
looking for
now.
4 men. How will I tell you that?
I mean what I said.
Safety first, you thinking, man? You thinking?
Yes, I'm thinking. What are you doing?
Wow.
Boy, you keep your madness by yourself, stand out with me here. One thing, boy.
That's a fucking bad thing.
No, sir.
Send me a lift.
Yeah, man.
He for real?
What really happened? Wait.
We have a report with a man.
Hello.
But I
You are not in authority at this time. I am saying to you, I would like everybody except Century Simon to be in uniform on the road for me, please.
I took the report from the gentleman. I'm going to write report in the station diary.
That could go on.
I'm going to write report in station diary for
Miss Scholastic at this time.
the man have an injury to his
The
head.
last instruction is that you have to put on your kit and go in the road for me, please. Right? Failure to do so could result in something else.
But do it. Let's
Right?
do it. I have no problem with that.
Everybody else, where's Samaru? Samaru! Stop sleeping in the back there. No time to sleep. We come to work. Everybody outside.
Me afraid work. You know me afraid work. I sign up for work.
And they will go for it. Right?
The man say you have a vehicle. You are the police assistant to go with him to get his vehicle to
You
go
must
to the
not put him in
hospital.
the vehicle and carry no man.
Feel relaxing.
Why I wasn't putting him in the vehicle?
You not doing that.
Well,
I can
relax.
tell you that.
Was the man have on no clothes? The man in a t-shirt? The man want to go home and get his car? That's what I ask you. Corporal car, if you can carry the man home, let him get his car.
Discussion outside, so you finish up.
I finish up.
Another conversation outside.
You too unruly, Papa. You are easy.
Right? You need to wake up. Right? In any Mario road, you need to wake up in Valencia. Wake up. Right?
You
wake up.
need to do a check for me, neck up.
You don't say that. It's in proper working order.
You want to talk to people and cuss people. What you feel it
I
is?
don't care. So
You minding me? You minding me?
I don't want to mind you. You come to the mind. You say you need to mind?
Then the people, my go answer the police.
You come on yourself to keep your mind.
Imagine when him there on the road.
You need to wake up here.
But I think you want the area.
Whatever you have to do, I can't wake up. Let's do it. Right? Let me go do your check.
Him a go answer the police station. Imagine when him there on the road.
Don't
My
forget
God.
now, no time to sleep or be on the phone, eh? And talk to the woman and beg them. We are open. Yeah. Yeah.
This man, right, you go take meat up from my house, or then set up the lyrics. Last time I talked to that man, I tell you, man, brother, get out. Yeah, I get out, almost I get out. What's 3 years I go? Is vagina I don't like so much to get out there, what's up?
Gosh. The people, me have to really and truly look on the video properly and wonder what make the man so a while ago, people. No? Me say, my people, if him a go on so at the police station, imagine when him there on the road. That me I said to myself, you know. But maybe him not act certain ways on the road. Maybe viewers and subscribers. That's what I say. You have some police who will sometimes act certain ways because them in certain rank. That's what I say. Yeah, I don't know, me I say these things, viewers and subscribers, are things what me hear at least one police officer say. Yes, I say, yeah, because just because a police they're in a higher rank, like say, for instance, that policeman they are superintendent, and this one is squaddy, as all Jamaicans might say. The superintendent lead the squaddy away. Yes, I say, yeah. So you have different ranks in the police force, and me hear police say it with more than 2 years. So you have some police who act certain ways because they're in a higher rank than other police and all them things. But I'm not real still, you know. All them things that I think and wonder to me hear some things in that video. If you're in subscribers and a real one. See? All me I say to myself is, if that man behave certain ways at the police station, I'm thinking what happened when that person is on the road. But look, on a real though, I say police work are teamwork. You understand? I know so that people will have the disagreements and so forth, you understand? But I won't go up so that was there a disagreement going between police officers, because this is not the first time I see a situation where police officers have them disagreement, you know. Yeah, so I say, yeah, I remember with my own 2 eyes and my own 2 ears. Me there at a certain location and look and I listen to 2 policemen argue and disrespect them one of your subscribers. So I say, I tell you, the man them have them, what you call it, service gun pan them, what they want to call it, them people. Anyways, yes, I'm gonna left it to my people. Big up and respect to each and every one. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up, that's it.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall skilla. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.